Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECLAST T50 Pro and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer. Here choose the keypad, which is right here, and enter the first code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. Tap on OK, and now another code, which is *#225#*##*#. Here we are in the calendar info, so we've got all of the events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also be right here, or events attached to your mail. So this is the best place to check the events because here they're grouped into particular sections. However, you cannot really enter specific category. You can only check the total number of events. Another code is *##426###. And here we are in the Diagnostics, so we can check the server, host, port, time connected. We can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. Let me quickly enter this code again. After tapping on the three dots icon here, we can show advanced view. Just tap on it, tap on the status, and here we've got much more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and the last code, which is *##4636###. And here we are in the testing mode, so we can check some technical info about your device. So for example, the tablet information, where you can check the IMEI number, phone number, current network, and data network type. Of course, you will be able to see the information if you've got your SIM card inserted. So if you've got one, you will be able to check all of that. After scrolling down, you can run ping test here and tap on the three dots icon to view fixed dialing numbers or enable data connection. Usage statistics, so we've got the list of apps which are on this device with the specific usage time and the information of last time used. And Wi-Fi info, so you can check the API configuration and the status. For example, here you can refresh the stats, and you can check the SSID or network ID. You can also run ping test right here. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.